When you work in Greece or Italy, your career at sea doesn't just give you a paycheck, it builds a future, one that's secure, portable, and recognized anywhere in the European Union. Let's explore how your pension follows you wherever life takes you. The European Union has a unique agreement. Your pension rights are portable. That means if you work in Greece, Italy, or any other EU country, the contributions you make to Social Security are recorded. And they stay with you. Wherever you go next, those rights travel with you. Every month, part of your salary goes into your pension system. In Greece, it's managed through FK, in Italy through INPS. These contributions don't disappear if you change ships or move countries. They are added together across your working life, creating one pension history across the European Union. When it's time to retire, you don't need to go back to the country where you worked. Whether you choose to live in Greece, Italy, Spain, Poland, or any EU state, your pension will follow you. You'll receive your payments wherever you settle. That's the power of EU pension portability. Some seafarers worry, what happens if I only work in Greece for a few years and then move to another country? Well, the answer is that nothing is lost. All your working years across European Union countries are counted together when calculating your pension. Your career builds into one continuous story, not broken chapters. For seafarers, this system is especially valuable. You may work under different flags, in different ports, and with different employers, but thanks to European Union rules, your pension remains safe, portable, and guaranteed, no matter where your career takes you. So, remember, your pension isn't tied to one country. It's European-wide security, built step by step with every voyage, because your hard work at sea deserves a retirement without borders.